today is my first video, so I'm very excited. And today I'm going to show you how to build a redstone lever lock. Now these are on the easy level of the redstone side. They're not too high, not too low. They're about pretty medium. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is place how many levers you want right here. So they're at least one block away. So see how that block is separating from those. So yeah, you want that. So, and once you want to open whatever you want, you're trying to open or unlock. So say I want this one to be part of a combination. And I would put a redstone torch behind it, leading off into redstone. Now whatever ones you don't want to be a part of the combination, you just put redstone. And what you do is you link them up like this. Put a redstone torch there. So it's off. So what should, wait, is that right? Yeah, that's right. So these ones, you don't have to put anything behind actually. So all you want to do is have that. Really. So it's like that. And then put the other one where you put the other lever. So right here, I put redstone there, torch, leading off into more redstone. So what this does is, so if I flick this one and this one, it would not work. See how that's still off? But if I flicked this one and this one, that turns on. So there you go. See, they're not the hardest or the easiest. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is my first video, and happy Easter. Goodbye.